Hello out there. You're once again welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony. And in this video, we'll be looking at an interesting question that is on the board, which says a piece of string is 1.7 meter long. How many pieces can be cut from a string 10.5 meter long? Now, if you observe, the question is trying to tell us that this piece of string, how many of these can be cut from this length? So how many pieces of this can you get from this length? So what is it saying? How many of these can you get? It's invariably telling you to divide. How many of these can you get from this? So we have 10.5 meter dividing 1.75 meter. This is decimal dividing a decimal number. How can you do this without calculator? Because in examination, you will not be allowed to use calculator. How can you effectively divide this number without the use of calculator? I will teach you. Now, how many decimal places does this one number have? It has only one. So it has one decimal place. This one have two because 1, 2. The number from your right, the how many numbers do you see from your right hand side? This is one number before the decimal point. This is 1, 2, two numbers before the decimal point. This one have two decimal places. There's a term I use. The number above is regarded as numerator. We name it as numerator, while the number down is named as denominator. Now, if numerator goes with what? Numerator goes with backward movement. Denominator goes with forward movement. What this means is that here it has 1, here it has 2. So which one is the big one? This is 2. Take away 1. It will give us 1. So we subtract the decimal places. That your answer is 1. Now, what this means is that which one is bigger? Denominator is bigger. So which means we're going to move forward after dividing our number. We're going to move forward one decimal place. Had it been the numerator is bigger, we move backward, move the decimal point backward. If the denominator is bigger, we move the decimal point forward. That's what it means. So if a child can remember numerator backward, denominator forward. Whenever the numerator is bigger, when you're done subtracting, you move backward. When the denominator is bigger, when you're done subtracting, you move forward. Okay, we can now confidently remove the decimal point. We have 105, 175. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Because this number ends with 5, this number ends with 5. It can be divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5 cannot. We go to the next number, which is 10. 10 divided by 5, it will give us 2. No remainder. 5 divided by 1 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. All over. 1 divided by 5, it cannot. We move to the next number. 17. 17 divided by 5, it will go 3 times. Because 5 times 3 is 15. We're left with 2. So place the 2 behind 5, becomes 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we have 21 over 35. We'll still divide. 7 can divide them. We have 7 here, we have 7 here. 21 divided by 7, it will give us 3. 35 divided by 7, it will give us 5. We have 3 over 5. How do we change this number to decimal point or the decimal number? Now, this is 5. Always look out for the denominator. How do I make the denominator to be 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 million, as the case may be, so that I can easily move the decimal point? What number will I multiply with 5 that will give me either 10, 100, 1,000, as the case may be? Obviously, it's 2 multiplied by 2. Whatever you do to the denominator must do to the numerator. 2 as well. So 3 times 2, it will give us 6. 5 times 2 will give us 10. I can easily move my decimal point. This is 0. I'm moving once. So we have 0.6. Remember, we have removed the decimal point. It's now time for us to return the decimal point. We say denominator is forward, numerator is backward. Since the denominator is bigger than the numerator, we are moving the decimal point forward. So I'm going to move my decimal point forward. So my answer is 0.6 meter. So if you look at it, I didn't use calculator. I didn't use anything. It is simple rule and simple method of simplifying or dividing a number that has decimal points. I pray that you grant you understanding. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Bye-bye.